close till I get up. Time is barely.
First, you're going to be using this fabric glue, and you're going to be applying it onto the side of the fabric so it can stick onto the green round thing that I have on there, as you can see on the screen. And you're just going to be like squishing it together so it glues on properly, and then you're going to apply more glue, and then you're just going to like fold it over to the other side, as you're going to see in like 3 seconds right there. And then you make sure to like press it down so it doesn't like unstick later, so it like sticks properly. So just make sure to press it down for a while. And here's just like a quick overview of me doing it. Now you're going to flip it over, and this is where you're going to start gluing on your flowers, which in my case I bought these really pretty ones. Now in my case, I'm going to get this one, and I'm going to apply glue, and I'm going to be sticking it onto the part where I want the flower on, and then I'm doing the same exact thing on the other one, and I'm like pulling the leaves to the top so I can put the other one a little bit underneath, so it gives it like a more like volume look. And yeah, now I'm going to grab my leaves, and I'm going to grab one first, and I'm going to start by applying some glue to the stem part, and I'm going to grab the flowers and put them up so I can put the like leaf on the bottom. And then I'm going to be pushing it down so it doesn't come off, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other one, but on the other side instead.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
There you have it. It's really pretty, and you can just hang it anywhere or on your door. To the second DIY, you're going to be needing like a 1-inch like shimmery things and a vase, any size, just depends what size you want it. And I'm going to need, I'm not sure what these are called, but you're going to need 2 of those, and a reindeer, which I found this really pretty one. And then you're going to apply some glue on one of the sides, and you're going to stick both of these things together. And then we're going to put this to a side so it can like stay in glue. And now, while that's gluing, we're just going to apply these shimmery tape things, and we're going to glue one on the top and one on the bottom. Now you're going to get your reindeer, and you're going to put it inside the vase. And then you're going to grab your other 2 things that we're gluing, and you're just going to stick it together, and there you have it.
I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
DIY, you're going to need the Christmas confetti, and you're going to dump it into a tray. You're also going to need some glue and a brush and an ornament that's clear. To start off, you're going to apply some glue onto the ornament. You're going to put it all around it, and you're just going to use your brush, and you're going to brush it around everywhere. You're done applying the glue everywhere, you're going to put your thing inside the Christmas confetti, and you're just going to apply it everywhere around.